Behind this door, we've been keeping a dark secret from you.
Speaking of this door, if you want to see a DIY door, take a look at this door we made. It is a barn door. It is on our other channel. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'll link it.
Okay. And you can find out more about how to build your own barn door at a fraction of the cost. And it really is a simple task. But anyway, behind this door, there is a secret
There is a secret,
for
but
family.
not for family.
Our family doesn't need to know what we got behind this door.
Yeah. So, if you are family, we need to tell you to turn this off right away. Yeah, you're right. It is for family.
It is.
But the video is not for family. So if you are a family member of ours, shut this video off. But share it so that we still get the watch time and the views and everything. But do not watch this because it will spoil your Christmas gift. So we are going to show everybody else though. So are you ready to see it? Here we go. Now, just don't pay attention to our closet because this is our closet. We do actually live here. But ta-da! This is what we have been working on for Christmas gifts. This all started back in June when we decided that we would use our blackberry harvest. We were going to use our blackberry harvest to make some wine for our family for Christmas gifts, and then we got hooked on the whole winemaking process.
Not the drinking part.
No.
But we got the making part.
Yes, and I do want to say, we're not even drinkers. That's the funny thing about this. Neither one of us even drink, but it was fun to make the wine, and then we learned that you can make wine out of juice. So, and we knew that we didn't have enough of the blackberry wine to get some for the whole family. So we've been making all different kinds. So we've got, what were you going to say something?
No, well, just that we have a very large family between both of us.
Yes.
And so therefore the harvest that we had from the blackberries would have probably made a bottle to 2 bottles, and we need 20 or more.
Yes,
so
definitely.
Anyway, Shayla's done a great job of putting this together.
No, you have been helping too.
Assistant.
And some of this stuff I got Art for his birthday present. So
hey,
Art's birthday present became what we used to make everybody's Christmas gift. So that's good. So you can see this is the Welch's grape juice. We started on September 12th. Also, oh wait, Apple's behind me over here. Apple also got started on September 12th. And then back over here, I started the mixed berry on the 17th, and then I just started black cherry the other day, and then yesterday we did the peach and the crayon apple. So, you don't smell very well. Here, I'll let you do me. I'll sniff them and kind of tell how they're smelling. And we are going to do some videos very soon. We have recorded the videos, but I still need to edit them to show you guys exactly how we made these. And I'll show you the whole process that we use and how we're learning how to make them, because I'm learning something every day, and you do have to stir these every single day and everything. So this one that we just started yesterday, the crayon apple, smells good. Here, come take a sniff and see what you think. I'll hold the camera for a minute.
I can't smell it.
You can smell it?
It smells good.
It smells good, doesn't it? I mean, you can tell that it's fermenting. Like it smells like it's turning into alcohol.
You can smell the alcohol content, yes. Yeah. And it's just from a day or two, isn't it?
Yeah, we started these yesterday. So here's peach. Oh yeah.
Smell good.
That's like an alcohol peach. Here, come here, I'll let you smell. Smells good, doesn't it? I think that one's going to be interesting because we both like peach flavored things. And so I think that'll be a fun one. And then what's that one? I'll go ahead and let you smell it first. Black cherry.
Black cherry. Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah, it's a strong one, and I think I don't remember if it's the black cherry or the mixed berry that smells like candy to me. Like it's starting to smell real candy.
This is the mixed berry. Should I open this?
Yeah. What do you think?
That has a little different odor to it.
That may be the one then that I'm still needing to make sure it gets plenty of air. I think that's one I'm really working on.
Yes, and this one too.
Yeah, that's why I still have the airlocks on those two. These three, I put paper towels on them just to make sure that they got a little bit more air because they're still in the beginning fermenting stages. And I'll explain more of that on the next video.
But while you're doing that, just zoom in and take a look at this fermenting process.
Mhm.
What's happening here? You'll be able to, tell them more about that in the other
In the
videos.
other video, yeah, where it's all settling down at the
Mm-hmm.
bottom. And the apple over here, it was one that I learned a lot about this because the fermentation process had stalled out and it wasn't finished. So I had to restart fermentation yesterday. So I spent a good time yesterday explaining to Art how that works and why I was having to restart the fermentation and everything. So
It ought to be very good when it's all done.
yes,
What,
yeah,
November? Maybe wait till December to bottle.
yeah, probably we'll
Yeah.
probably bottle it right before Christmas time. So
And granted, they will not be full-size wine bottles. They will be what, the smaller versions.
yeah, actually we have those. We can show real quick. So first we wanted little bottles, and Art works for a golf club, and so he was able to get some little bottles that they just had left over off of the cart, the drink cart. So we've got these. We need to get corks for them, and we need to take the labels off and everything. But we have cleaned them and everything. But we just need to re-sanitize and take the labels off. But then one day when I was at the Dollar Tree, I found these because we thought if we did them in little bottles, our wine would go much further. And so, anyway, then I found these for $1.25, and they came with corks also. So I got several of those. And then I had ordered these, which are smaller than your average size wine bottle, but they're still large. But with the pop top, which the cool thing about this is that we're just going to tell our family members, to save their bottle and lids. We don't have to buy, like on these, once they pop the cork, we'll just have to buy new corks each time so that we can keep reusing the glass bottles. I am very big about not wasting glass. I save anything that comes in glass, don't I? He's always like, "Do you have to save everything?"
All containers.
Yeah, I cannot stand to throw glass away because it just seems like such a valuable thing that you can use it for other things. So anyway, I thought these were cool because we can just keep reusing these little lid things that come on them. So
And for $1.20, these were
no, these I got these from Amazon, so I'll link them if anyone's interested. I got a 6-pack for, I think it was like $12 or something. And after I ordered those, while they were still in the process of arriving, that's when I found these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And then I was like, oh man, if I'd have known that, I would have just gone with these.
Well, this is a good size for some of our family members, and this would be perfect size for just sampling our wine.
Yeah, yep. So that is one of the things we've been excited to share, and we'll keep doing updates, especially after we show you how we've made them, because there's still a process even after that of tracking the pH and making sure that fermentation actually stops and everything. So we will go through all of that. But if you grow any fruits or berries or anything in your garden, it's a great way to use up your harvest and make some Christmas gifts out of it so that you can save save yourself some money around the holidays.
Or you can sample it and drink it yourself.
Yeah,
Either way,
if you're a drinker, keep it for yourself.
It'll be great.
Yeah. Okay, that is it. So we just want to remind you to go the second mile today like we do with glass. Go the second mile today for
your resources
and someone in your life.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.